What's up, guys? Today we are playing Animal Company. I'm probably gonna talk to other people in the code, but yeah, here's one. Me.
Wow! Blue, come here!
Look at my big rod. Look at my big thing.
Oh, yeah, hell yeah, free grappler!
This dude has
Look how
freaking
big
a
it is.
suitcase, bro.
Another W for the OG.
Look how big it is.
Well, I don't understand. Why
have
did they
grappler.
got rid of freaking suitcases, man? Oh heck no!
It's
Yeah,
so
Because,
long. It's so big, so juicy.
we do not.
Cause
So
you're
thick.
black.
What the fuck?
I'll be shrugging it.
I hope you know if
Because
someone
you're
kills
black.
you, you're cooked.
That's why I don't step on a side to save some, bub.
Yeah, these
Actually,
robbers.
You know what? I think I'm cooked either way, guys. He got this.
Bro, I literally grabbed it and he stole it.
Pink.
Yeah!
What?
It's American
Pink.
time.
How
What?
old are you?
That's not pink,
A
that's
black-
gray.
It's crate.
Wait, do you have more?
What's inside this? What's inside this legendary crate?
How old are you? How old are you? Huggy.
Oh man,
Huggy,
I
huggy.
just sold on a freaking.
Huggy, huggy.
After, shut up.
Huggy, huggy.
Guys, I got more.
Yo, can you
I
I
have
want a
more.
toy. I want a
Yeah.
More? Can I get
Wait,
one?
Scooby,
toy.
Scooby, Scooby.
Toy.
Scooby,
There's a
Scooby,
toy.
Scooby.
Wait, can I please get
Toy.
one? Please, dude.
I'm just holding on.
Can I get one? Can I get
He's
one?
trying to steal that.
Can I get one?
Here you go, little boy.
Yes! Yes!
What?
That's
Little boy, get one.
literally more OG items.
He
Where'd it
stole
go?
from you.
Wait, no, I'm not.
I don't
touching
even
it.
have
Ray
it.
gun.
I don't even have it.
I want
Someone
Pop.
launched it with a ray
Yes! I got another
gun.
suitcase.
Who was that guy?
Oh, it's the dude that stole it in the first place.
How many do you have?
Let's
Take
just throw it in the
those.
code.
100.
Okay, yeah. That was crazy. I just got a very OG item. I'm gonna make sure no one's in the code. Yeah. The reason why I really wanted that and everyone was trying to steal it is because those are OG. You cannot get those in the game anymore. I have some OG items myself. Like this. I don't know how you get it though. No one really told me. I don't think it has anything in it. What do I have on my back? Yeah, it just spawns a light for you and it's really cool. I tried to kill someone with it on because it's really a thing. The black backpack, this is something you can't get anymore. It's just a backpack that it used to be an old color and now you can't get it. And then this, you can still get this backpack, but it's what's inside of it. 2 pumpkin pies that you can only get during Halloween, obviously. I don't eat them. If anyone eats them. Don't tell me I just lost all my... Oh, I thought I lost my pumpkin pies. Yeah, and all these other things are for my mining. That, I don't even know why I have it. I just have it because it's an expensive thing and I just need rocket ammo. Now, what I like to do myself is... I like to just grab a crowbar. Where's the crowbar? I like to grab a crowbar. This is how you get the research points. You can get them anywhere, really. But this is how I like to get them. I also go in the mines, don't worry, to get them. In the space method, I know you guys do that. Y'all just join private codes and go to that purple planet and just get the space planet and stuff. But what you're gonna want to do is come down here. Blah blah blah. Then you're gonna find stuff like these. This is not what you mine, but you can break them. Also, these you break. You get gold from it. What you want? Turkey. You can still get that. I'm gonna wait till he's done doing his red light, green light thing. Alright, and then we stop. It's red. This is just a red light, green light machine. Then we'll try it again. Oh shoot. That's just a flashbang. We don't need to worry about that. Those are the purple things we want to get for research points. just want to break these. I know something over there. No. You just break them. Break them. Break them. Break them. You break them. Break them. I can't really reach up there. Break them. Break them. Break them. Break them. Oh, yep. I just got one. Oh, got two. That was lucky. Yeah, you just want to break them. And then you should get what you want. Don't touch those red tentacles. They do kill you. Indeed they do. Then you come over here. Break them all. Hopefully you get one. Like that. I got two somehow. Surprisingly. And once you're done, cool, you're done. So your crowbar. Then you touch it. And then you die. And yeah, that's how you do it. And then I have to wait to spawn back. And then we got 2 horizon nuts, which is actually really surprising for one run down there. I barely get any on my runs. Then you got this. This is where you buy your stuff. I need to buy more pickaxes. Here. What's here? Where's the pocket stuff that I could do to get pockets? I want pockets. These is the things I want. Expand pockets. Expand pockets. Where's that? Glow stick? I need to get that. Expand pockets in what? All backpacks you purchase. I need that. It's that there. That's the thing we need. Yeah. This is what we want. Expand pockets. Buy that. Chakalaka. What is over that? Over there? Don't know. Am I gonna buy it? I don't care. Then let's boom, bought it. Now what's down here? I have no idea. What is down here? Gee. Tax invasion. 5% nut value. Please sell. I would try to make that jump, but I'm kind of scared. Oh. You get across to this thing. What is it? 15% maximum. Yeah. This is chunk invasion. Don't know what's over there, but look. Then, or chunk express, my bad. Then we're just climb all the way to the tippity top. Actually, I have no clue what's at the tippity top. Why am I going all the way to the tippity? There's something up there. We're just gonna hope that we, yeah, there's no point in trying. Then we're gonna, okay, where do I get dropped off at? Is that, yes it is. This is our way out of here. Just go over here. Parkour. Holy crap, I suck. I'm not gonna risk that again. We got the teleportation grenades. Just activate them. Throw them. Then a little bit. You teleport all the way over there. Then you exit. And then you float to heaven. And then you're out. I just wasted all my stuff on that and then something else I forgot. Now I'm gonna stop recording here because I do have to use the bathroom. I will record again. Just give me a second. Alright, I'm done with my bathroom break. I did change my outfit. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end the video because it's getting late. Next video, if you want more Animal Company videos, I will try to post them. And yeah, I could do mines, sewers, haunted house, whatever you guys want. So, peace. Please get to 100 subscribers. Peace.